How to see Reels watch history on Facebook on Android. If you want to find a reel you've watched before, just follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android. Next, tap the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen to open Facebook Reels. Once you're in Reels, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now, tap Watched Reels. Here, you'll see a list of the Facebook Reels you've recently watched. If you can't find the reel you're looking for, go back to the Reels screen and tap the search icon. Then, look for the Reels you've watched section and tap See All to view your complete watch history. If you don't see the watch history option or the Reels you've watched section, the feature may not be available in your version of the Facebook app or your account yet. Make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your Facebook Reels watch history on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.